Hi, I'm Erika. I'm currently living in Brooklyn, and I am a mother to two beautiful little boys, Duran and Dakari. I got vaccinated my first vaccination when I was 28 weeks pregnant. I was hesitant about getting vaccinated because I was newly pregnant. While I was pregnant, the Delta variant popped up and it made me nervous. So when that happened and I finally made it to my third trimester, I was like, well, now that the pregnancy is viable, I gotta get vaccinated. I feel relieved that if I get COVID, my symptoms won't be deadly. So we got COVID for Christmas actually, and my symptoms were pretty mild, and the baby didn't have any symptoms at all. I feel like if other pregnant people are on the fence about getting vaccinated, they should do it for their safety and for the safety of their families.